It's almost time for us to start tapping our maple trees here in Michigan. Syrup season is right upon us. I got looking at our RO system and noticed I've got a bunch of ragtag parts here. They're all kind of hodgepodge together from different companies. And so did the people from Membrane Solutions. They reached out to me and says, hey Eric, we want to give you a whole new system so it's all Membrane Solutions so you're running all of the same equipment. And that's what we're doing today. We're upgrading our RO system. Real quick rundown here of what we're doing today. I already had a membrane solution housing and 150 gallon per day RO membrane here. I have an off-brand one. I have no idea where it even came from. And I think I do have a 150 gallon per day membrane in this as well. I have a little bit different style filter housing, and we are upgrading to a new membrane solution filter housing and filter, and then we are putting in the 150 gallon per day RO membranes. We're putting 3 of these in here. So we're going to plumb this up just like we've done in the past. I've got a couple videos that I'll link up above so you guys can see exactly how to put this together. I'm going to start putting this together, and we're going to test this guy out here real soon. Pretty simple. We're just going to work downstream from our filter. I'm not changing out the Aquatech 8800 pump. We're leaving that as is. I'm going to change this filter housing out and then add the RO membrane. So I'm just going to try to scooch this together a little bit here. Everything's plumb the same. We're just adding an extra membrane. The folks at Membrane Solutions are offering a 10% discount on all this equipment. I'll make sure to put the promo code down below in the description. Got our new RO membrane here all installed. Everything went great. I ended up using some of this plumber's tape here, the strapping, just to strap everything down. I did use some older stuff before. I kind of switched everything over so it's all the same now. And one thing too, with your micron filter and your RO membrane, make sure to soak these before you guys put them in and start up your system. So that's something that we're going to do. Now we got to go get this thing out into the barn and get some sap running through it. So let's go. All right, we got this RO system out here just humming. I got everything dialed in. Just wanted to show you guys here my quick little setup. I got it sitting right on my IBC tote. Got our pump, got our 10 micron pre-filter, got my 150 gallon per day RO membranes going. I have been running today about 90% PSI on this system. Yes, I see there's lots of condensation and stuff here. My evaporator's going right to the outside here, and all this steam is coming right over my system. Probably not the best setup, but it's what I got going today. I've got my inlet here, my sap coming right out of the tank, right into my pump. I've got my permeate here going into just a collection barrel, and I've got my concentrate line right here. Goes up right here with my needle valve, goes right into my pre-warmer, which is just a piece of Bundy tubing, copper tubing, wrapped around the exhaust of my evaporator. And then I've got my sap coming right out, right through that, right here, and that is warm, let me tell you. So instead of having another pan and a pre-warmer and all that, I just decided to go with this system. This RO system is working awesome. I could not believe it. I actually just did some math to figure out how much I'm evaporating and I've been out here at it for 2.5 hours. I've got 40 gallons already RO'd and into the evaporator, and I figured that's about 16 gallons per hour is what I'm getting off the RO system right now. I can tell you for sure I was not getting that last year. Adding that third 150 gallon per day membrane, game changer for me. It's very awesome. I want to thank all the kind folks over at Membrane Solutions again for this. This is a total upgrade, complete time saver for me, and I really appreciate it. Right now we're at the warmest day of the year. It's going to be 70 degrees here today. Had to take the day off work to get this stuff boiled up, and that's okay. But the issue is I just went and checked my buckets out here. I got a couple up by the house. I just checked a few up by the house, and I've got more sap in the bucket. So I need to get through my initial 125 gallon, 120 gallons of sap here through the RO system into the evaporator. And I got to run out here pretty quick and go collect what's left, because otherwise it's just going to spoil. I'm going to have to dump the buckets. Anyways, good news, it's supposed to get really chilly tomorrow. So we're actually talking about snow in the morning. I know, it's crazy, right? We've got 70 degree temps during the day and snow the next morning. That's kind of how Michigan is around here. So we're going to continue boiling, and we're going to continue dialing this new RO setup in, and I absolutely love it. Everything's working flawlessly. Really excited for this, and this is just blowing through this sap. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to do another RO video if I can get another boil. Just depends on weather. I'm going to get another RO video for you guys and kind of explain a little bit of the ins and outs of it. Maybe some things I'd change if I was to do it again, and some of the things I really liked about it. So we're going to keep you guys going on that, and I know you guys are really interested in how we do our systems here, and it's something that we like to share with you guys, and we always try to help each other out. It's kind of the whole name of the game, right? That's enough of me yapping right now. I gotta go split some more wood, get this guy fired back up. You guys, I appreciate you following along. If you'd like to see the original build of how we built the RO system, check this video out right here. We'll catch you on the next one.